Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Infinix Hot 12i, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. Firstly, I have to tell you that if you don't want to damage your USB charging port, you need to use only plastic and soft objects. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the blunt part of the brush in the connector, and just pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.